Hi, I'm Ricardo, and this is Petit Coding. Okay, so first of all, if you see something different here, it's because I just installed, I upgraded to Bixer. I was using Catalina before, but if you see the look and feel different from it now. So now I'm using Bixer. And what I want to do here is I want to change this to not be three different functions, but one single function. And I think I will have to do some changes before we do that. So first of all, let me just I want it to be let's just do with the fighter emblem. I want it to be emblem 1, not emblem 01, and this is going to fail because now there's not an emblem 1, right? So let me just change that on the assets here, and I'm going to change the name to emblem 1. Okay, and I'm going to run the test again, and they should pass now. Yep. So as you can see, now it's emblem 1. I want to do the same with the other ones, so I'm going to change this to emblem 2. Okay. This is failing again, so I'll change this to emblem 2 just to make it pass. Right now the tests are passing, and now I want the next test, and I want this to be emblem 3. Okay, now this is going to fail because now it's not emblem 3, but I just need to change on the assets here the name to emblem 3. Command U. The test is still failing. Emblem 3, command U. Okay, the test is passing. So now I'm going to commit. So change the name of the files. Okay. Commit to 7 files and push. Okay. So since now I have this, what I want to do is actually not the emblem here, but I'm going to say the new name here. New name equals name plus 1 menu. And now new name plus 1, and now I'm going to erase this. I'm going to command U. This is failing because it's not getting the new name, it's getting the different one. And what I have to do now here is the new name here and the new name here. Command U. And it's still failing because now the file name should not be emblem but emblem 1. Command U. Okay, so now it's working as expected. And what I want to do now is, instead of the create image fighter, I want to do the image views here. Fighter image view here, as you can see here. And now for each image view in image views, I want to put that image view, the image UI image named new name, and I need a counter here. Count equal 1. New image name image plus count. Yeah. It should be name, actually. Name plus count. Int to string. Plus string count. This is no longer needed, right? And also, so actually, yeah, it should be name plus count. And also I need this image view dot image dot accessible identifier equals the same thing. Name plus string count. Right. This is equal to the name, right? Plus string count, right? And then I'm incrementing the count. And then I'll just do it like this and command U, and this should this should be a var. Command U. Okay, and it's passing, so I'll commit it. Refactor code to change the emblem image to 1 only for fighter. Only for fighter image view. Okay, commit to files and push. Okay, and this is just the first step to doing this. So what I want to do now is, instead of create image fighter, I'm going to refactor and I'm going to rename this to set up images, right? And I'm still getting this. Right? And this is emblem 1, emblem 2. Now what I can do now is get these two asserts from the other one. Not that one, but from the support, right? From the support, and this should be emblem 2, and see if that makes sense. And it's failing, and what I just need to do here is support emblem image view. Command U. And now it's passing. And now I can do the same for the marksman. Okay, so let me just commit and push. Add a function so it can take support image view. Commit to files and push. Okay, and the last step would be to put this over here and just say that the emblem File name should be emblem3. Command U. This is failing because I don't have the marksman emblem image here. And then Command U. And all these tests are passing now here. So I don't need this passing test, and I don't need these functions here. And as you can see now, Command U, I have the exact same code, the exact same asserts that I had before on a single test, refactor with a single function that is doing the exact same thing. Okay, so that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and push that notification bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And we'll see you next time.